I'm Dr. Binu. In Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning Fundamental subject, the second topic in the second unit is adversarial search. What is the definition of adversarial search? In adversarial search is a search where we examine the problem which arises when we try to plan ahead of the world and other agents are planning against us. Searches in which two or more players with conflicting goals are trying to explore the same search space for the solution are called adversarial search, often known as games. Already we saw some search strategies which are only associated with a single agent that aims to find the solution, which often expressed in the form of sequence of actions. But there may be some situations where more than one agent is searching for the solution in the same search space, and this situation usually occurs in game playing. The environment with more than one agent is termed as multi-agent environment, in which each agent is opponent of other agent and playing against each other. Each agent needs to consider the action of other agent and effect of that action on their performance. What is meant by game? Game can be defined as a types of search in AI which can be formalized of the following elements. First one is initial state. It specifies how the game is set up at the start. Players, it specifies which player has moved in the state space. Actions, it returns the set of legal moves in state space. Results, it is a transition model which specifies the result of moves in the state space. Terminal test is true if the game is over, else it is false at any case. The state where game ends is called terminal state. Utility. A utility function gives the final numeric value for a game that ends in terminal states S for player P. It is also called as payoff function for chess, and outcomes are win, loss, or draw. And if its payoff values are plus 1, minus 1, and 0. And if tic-tac-toe, utility values are plus 1, minus 1, and 0. What is meant by game tree? Game tree is a tree where nodes of the tree or the game states and the edges of the tree are the most by the players. Game tree involves initial state, actions, and result function. Example, tic-tac-toe game. The following figure is showing the part of game tree for tic-tac-toe game. Following are some of the key points of the game. There are two players, max and min. Players have an alternate turn and start with max. Max maximizes the result of the game tree. Min minimizes the result. The format of playing of tic-tac-toe is represented in the diagram. Thank you.